Welcome to educational live trade video for the day. Today we trade on Altas and I'll be showing you how I traded, where I took the entry and where I took the exit. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, today I've selected to trade Altas. Okay, so I guess the stock looks in a buying trend. So I'll just buy it now. Okay, so I just buy it now around 857 to 856 levels and see how the stock will perform today. So I guess this stock has a potential to go up, and you can see here on the previous day the stock has come down and touched some of a support level, and now you can see here the bounce has been given by a big green candle. So by seeing this, I guess the stock has a potential to go up. So let's see how the stock will perform today, and this is the trade what I've taken according to my strategy. Okay, and also guys, if you guys want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my unique and personal intraday trading course today. In my course, I'll teach you simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader, and once you join us, I'll be guiding you with my years and years of experience, and these are very simple strategies and no indicators. And also once you join us, you'll be getting everyday live market support as well. You can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades which I uploaded from 3 years plus. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So guys, yes, by being said that, now we are back to the trade, and as you guys can see, the stock has made a high of 859.25, and from there it has come down a bit, and I'm planning to keep the target up to 4 or 5 points as the stock price is within 1000 rupees. So I'm just keeping 4 to 5 points target, not more than that. So let's wait for it to come up. So yes, it has come down like 2 to 3 points here, not much. Yeah, that is a minimum volatile what we need to accept and wait. Okay, so 856 now, so getting close to 857 against. So I'll just take my exit once it touches 860 or 861, somewhere around there. I'll just take the exit. Okay, so it's been a while, we are just waiting, and the stock has not come a lot of down as well. So if it has come down, I would have changed my position, but yes, it looks it is holding a good support, and that's the reason why I'm still holding it. And also the market has not come down or gone up, it's just in the flat levels where it has opened. The market is just 0.10% up. So let's wait for some time and see how it will perform. So 857, 859 now. Okay, the stock is now going up. So 861, the target has hit, guys. So guys, yes, as you guys can see here, the stock has made a high of 861. I bought it around 855. So it went up to like a 5 or 6 point. Anyway, I took my exit by booking almost 4 points. So this was the profit what I was able to book in the today's trade of Voltas. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in entire trading, you can join us now. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.